too tight. Last night I got a touch of your love. Your affection has affected me. I'm feeling kind of dizzy and weak in the knees. Every night in love before, but never so bad. You're in my distance and it's driving me mad. I got a touch of your love. It came on.